Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to take control of your workspace by customizing your Slack notifications for maximum focus and a better work-life balance. Step 1. Access your global preferences. To change how Slack alerts you across the entire app, you need to head into your main settings. Click your profile picture in the bottom left corner of the sidebar and select Preferences. In the Notifications tab, you can choose exactly what triggers a ping. Most users find that setting this to Mentions and Direct Messages is the sweet spot. It keeps you informed of things that need your attention without buzzing for every single message in a busy channel. Step 2. Set a notification schedule. Stop work pings from interrupting your dinner or sleep by automating your Do Not Disturb hours. Scroll down to Notification Schedule within the same Preferences menu. Use the drop-down to select Every Day or Weekdays and set your start and end times, like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Outside of these hours, Slack will automatically silence all notifications, though your teammates can still override this for emergencies if they really need you. Step 3. Fine-tune specific channels. Sometimes you need to stay extra quiet in one channel but get every update in another. Go to a specific channel, click the channel name at the top, and select the notifications icon, the bell. You can set this specific channel to All New Posts for high-priority projects or Muted for social channels you only want to check when you have free time. This overrides your global settings, giving you surgical control over your alerts. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.